Okay, so here are a few examples from section 7.5 from homework just to kind of get you going if you get stuck. So first of all, this is percent equation, which is part equals percent times whole, okay, where percent is a decimal. That's the key. So the first thing we have to realize is we have 36%, but 36% as a decimal is 0.36. Okay. Next, we have to figure out what the heck does the of 50 mean. Oh, that's the whole. That's the whole amount. So I'm looking for the part. And I notice that because it says what is. So part will equal 0.36 times the whole amount of 50. Okay, that's all we really have to do for this problem. So now it's just 50 times 0.36. I don't know if you ever learned this trick, but if there's a 0, just drop it down. We can ignore that now, and now it's just 36 times 5. So 5 times 6 is 30. Carry the 3. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 is 18. And now I have two zeros, so two decimal places, 18. So 18 is 36% of 50. Okay, so that was number 10. All right, next problem, number 16. Okay, now on this one it's asking us 27 is 10% of what number? Well, I know the percent, 10%. And then I have to recognize, oh, this says 27 is. So that's the part. Okay, which means I'm looking for the of, which is the whole. Okay, so part equals percent, but as a decimal, and 10% as a decimal is 0.1 equals 0.1 times the whole amount, which I will just call, I don't know, say W. Okay. So my equation is 27 equals 0.1 times W. So divide by 0.1 then. You could do long division with this, or there's a little quick trick. Hey, move that to the right one, move that to the right one, and now I get 270 equals the whole amount. Okay. So that was number 16. Okay, and then last one for this section I'm going to do for you is number 22. And it says 79.8 is what percent of 140 or 114. So right off the bat, what percent? That's going to be my x. Now, in order to do that, then I have to recognize that 78 or 79.8 is the part, because again it's attached to the is, and of is the whole amount, which whole is 114. Okay, so now we just set up the equation. Part equals percent, which I'll just call, I don't know, x, times the whole, which is 114. Okay. So for this problem, then I got to solve for the x value, which means I have to divide by 114. Okay. So I'll have to do 79.8 divided by 114. It doesn't go in, obviously, into 79, but 79.8 I can kind of guess that this is around 100, and that's about 800, but it's a little bit more than 100 and a little less than 800, so I'm going to try 7. So 4 is 8, carry the 2, 9, 7 is 9. Hey, look at that, 798. Okay, now here's the tricky part also about this, is I got 0.7 for x. That is not the percent. It's actually 70 hundredths. X is 0.70, which is 70%. Okay. And that was number 22. Okay, great. Hopefully those helped out.